Well, good day everyone, it's Mr. March here out on the west coast. It's Sunday and my son is not with me again. He's a pharmacist and he's been working nearly every weekend. We've had a couple of weekends where we've been able to do episode 1 and 2. I do have some footage where I'm going to create episode 3. I'll edit that this afternoon and probably get that uploaded by Wednesday, I'd say. So I'm just going to make a very quick video here just saying that I'll be uploading a bigger one later on in the week. I just wanted to show you, so what he's done with a bit of my help is this, which is just cleaned up, profiled, cleaned up, holes drilled ready for this giant pin here. We've got the scales completed. He's going for a very, very thin minimalist look. But what we tried to do is ferric chloride etch these for 24 hours or so to get a look similar to this. I mentioned this in my previous videos, but we didn't quite get it. What we've come up with is some kind of not even in between. It's not really gone. This one here has started to go with the lines to see how this side has got these kind of like lined effect. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there you go. I think so. This one started to get it, but maybe it just needed more time. This one I only left in for 24 hours, and these the same, but I don't know, maybe the solution is weaker now or something. But we're going to continue on with that when we can, so I will just put that aside. I'm going to have to start doing some more videos, more videos of my own. I've got this very small scrap piece of 1084, and I've been thinking about making a tiny little, there you go, a tiny little dagger. So that's something I got on the go. I've never made a dagger before, and so that's what I'm going to do. One thing I should mention is I'm having a big clean up here, so at least I can carry on with what I'm going to do today. But I should stop mentioning what I'm going to do, because like the guild challenge I'm really bored with, and to be honest with you, I'm an associate member of the guild, but I've had not one single bit of contact from the guild, the only bit of contact I had was saying, do you want to be involved in the AGM? And I said yes I would, but I was busy that Saturday, so I did it by Zoom. And so honestly, I think what's the point of becoming a member of the guild when they actually don't do anything for you? They don't send you newsletters, they don't send you any information whatsoever. All they've done is take your 40 bucks and go, now what you've got to do is enter 3 knives to become a member of the next level up, whatever that is, I can't remember. We'll finish them off, but whether I enter them in to be judged by the guild members, I'm really not sure. It's not something I'm super excited about at the moment. So I'm going to put those aside. Jordan and I are going to finish his knife. I'm going to build this tiny little dagger, and then if this works out not too bad, I'm going to build a much bigger dagger. I've never built one before. I've also been making my carter, and I've been trying to come up with a process where I can make this my carter in super quick time, and I'm getting somewhere with it. I should look at the camera over there really. I think I'm getting somewhere with it, but it's still a bit messy and I still haven't perfected the process yet. So I've got a mould that I put all the paper and material in. These are made, this is made of linen, or not linen, but material of old shirts and paper as well. This one is just red and white material, made from t-shirts I think it is, and this one is just made from just some material which is just a straight red colour. I did have a little bit of white thrown in there, but that didn't really work so well. And this one came out a bit wedge shaped, but I do have a press where, as you can see, if I get it right, this is my latest one, comes out very straight and square. That's straight out of the mould. So, and I'll show you that at some point. But in the meantime, I've got work to do around the house. We're thinking about selling, so I've got some jobs to do, I've got gardening to do, I've got so many things to do. So How much knife making I get through, I really don't know, but let's see what I can do. I've got a big clean up to do in the workshop, and so I'll just say bye bye for now. I'll get this uploaded today, and hopefully I'll get another one uploaded by Wednesday, maybe Thursday this week, but it just depends how busy I am at work as well, how much overtime I end up doing, etc, etc. So I say cheers for now. I'm going to enjoy my cup of coffee, have a clean up in the workshop, and I shall see you very soon. Cheers.